Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Linguistics and Literature. Dear students, today we will be discussing about recursion in English syntax. Recursion comes from the word. It gives the sense of the word like a repetition. It can be repetition. We can say. Then we will define. We will define the recursion. Then we will come to know about what actually the meaning of recursion is. Recursion in the context of grammar and linguistics refers to the ability of rules or structures within a language to be applied repeatedly or nested within themselves, leading to the generation of complex linguistic expressions. Means that is actually the repetition of expressions, we can say the phrases or the words that gives the same sense as the first word or phrase, we can say. For example, if we say on the window, then we can say on the window, near the door, uh, in the room, like this. Similar expressions we can use for the same thing. If we are talking about something, we can give other locations to talk about that thing. So this can be a recursion. We can have examples, we'll see. Recursion allows for the creation of hierarchical structures where smaller units can be combined and nested within larger units, leading to potentially uh, infinite variation and complexity in language. Here are some examples to illustrate recursion. Prepositional phrase. In the sentence, the cat sat on the mat under the table. See, on the mat, under the table. Two prepositional phrases are here. Now, the prepositional phrase under the table can be repeated using different prepositions. E.g., for example, behind the chair, above the shelf, to create a longer sentence with multiple prepositional phrases. Got it? So, what I was telling you in the first definition, this is the same thing. Means you are adding prepositional phrases or other phrases to give more information about the same thing. You are you are making longer the sentences. This is what actually the recursion in English syntax. We know that syntax is actually the structure of sentences, we can say. The group of words in a proper way, they make a meaningful sentence. Meaningful structure is actually studying about syntax, right? Embedded embedded classes. Embedded class, what is this? We will see now. In the sentence, I know that she said that he thought that they would win. Classes are embedded within each other. Listen now, the sentence we will read again. I know that she said that he thought that they would win. Now listen, I know that she said that he thought that. Three things are embedded within the main clause. This is what actually the embedding or embedded, we can say. Clauses are embedded within each other. For example, she said that he thought that they would win is the subordinate clause embedded within the main clause. Means we can say that the main class actually observe the other classes within it is actually the embedded clauses phrases. Recursive pronouns in sentences. In Okay, I will highlight it. In sentences like he told her that she said that he believed that they would help themselves, he, the pronoun they is used recursively, referring back to the subject of the main clause he. What happened? The they is used as recursive. They is used recursively, referring back to the subject of the main clause he. It refers back recursively, repeatedly it is used. This is recursion. And nested sentences. In the sentence, John believes that Kathy knows that Mary helped George. Now John believes that Kathy knows that Mary helped George. Multiple causes are nested within each other, creating a hierarchy of embedded statements. This is another example. Recursion is a fundamental property of human language that allows for the generation of complex and varied expression using a relatively small set of rules. It plays a crucial role in syntactic analysis and understanding the structure of sentences and phrases in natural languages. Recursion is actually a natural process, means the natural language means the language that you speak, that is you have learned it from your childhood. You speak and you can use the deep structures, we can say the proper structures of that language. So in English, the recursion, if you use it properly, it means that is you're using like in the natural language, right? So this was about recursion in syntax. I hope that you have understood. Thoroughly read the structure, the sentences I have written, and you people can get the information from a book that is uh, The Study of Language by George Yol. I have taken from there this information. You can take from there also. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.